Now there's an easy, plug-and-play way to upgrade your existing classic Sniper setup and improve your ride with all the benefits that Sniper 2 EFI has to offer. Holley's made updating from your classic Sniper to Sniper 2 EFI even easier with our adapter harness and plug-and-play Sniper 1 to Sniper 2 conversion kits. Our conversion kits eliminate the need to rewire your Sniper install, reducing the installation time to less than an hour in most scenarios. You can keep the original Sniper EFI wiring harness that's already tucked away in your engine bay and simply connect an adapter between the original wiring harness and your new Sniper 2 EFI throttle body. Conversion kits include the adapter harness and only the components that are necessary to make the switch over to Sniper 2 EFI. There's no need to purchase a complete Sniper 2 system. Sniper 2 conversion kits are available in either black or polished finishes and can be purchased either with or without the fuel pressure regulator kit, depending on your fuel system needs. It's that easy. There's no crimping or splicing required to get your new Sniper 2 EFI system up and running. Let's take a look at how easy it is. To use the adapter, you'll first need to swap out the classic Sniper for your Sniper 2 throttle body. Begin by disconnecting the throttle body from the main harness at the 10-pin input-output connector and 7-pin main connectors. You will also need to disconnect the O2 sensor and coolant temp sensor, as well as the CAN bus connection for the 3.5-inch handheld. Sniper 2 uses an updated M8 connector for the handheld, so you'll have to use the new handheld that's included in your kit and route it through the firewall in place of the old one. Now disconnect the fuel lines. Remember, Sniper 2 does not have an internal fuel pressure regulator and will need to have an external regulator plumbed into the system. Remove the throttle cable or the rod, as well as any transmission kickdown provisions and return springs if equipped. Next, loosen and remove the 4 nuts securing the throttle body, then remove it from the intake manifold. Don't forget to disconnect any vacuum lines that may be attached. Replace the old base gasket with the new one supplied in your kit. Make sure that the intake surface is clean before installing the new gasket. Now transfer any throttle or transmission kickdown studs that may have been used from the old unit to the new bell crank on your Sniper 2. You can now mount the new Sniper 2 throttle body to your intake and secure it using the 4 nuts and washers that you removed earlier. Reconnect the vacuum lines that we removed previously and cap off any that are no longer going to be used. Reconnect all throttle and transmission linkages as well as the return spring. Connect the fuel supply and return line as required based on your fuel system setup. Install a fuel pressure regulator into the fuel system if your current setup does not already have one, and be sure to cap off any unused fuel ports. If you're in need of an EFI capable fuel pump, you're in luck. Holley offers a variety of in-tank pump options to update and complete your fuel system. Now grab the adapter harness and connect the 16-pin connector to the corresponding 16-pin connector that's coming from the Sniper 2 throttle body. Plug the 10 and 7-pin connectors on the opposite side of the adapter harness to the corresponding connectors found on the original Sniper EFI wiring harness. Make the connection to the updated 3.5-inch handheld using the new M8 connector that comes directly from the throttle body. Do not use the connector that's located in the harness. Plug the connectors in for the O2 and CTS sensors. You'll also notice an orange wire that's loose in the harness. This is a 0 to 5 volt TPS output. You can use it for aftermarket accessories like an optional transmission controller, or you can shorten and cap it off if you're not using it. All that's left to finish your install is to perform the calibration wizard and follow the initial startup procedures to properly set the throttle plates and idle air control. Once that's complete, install the air cleaner base gasket included in the kit. You can reuse the air cleaner stud from your old install or purchase a new one, then mount the air cleaner assembly of your choice. Now you can reap all the benefits of Sniper 2 EFI without the hassle of rewiring your entire system with one of our Sniper 2 EFI conversion kits. To learn more about Sniper 2 EFI or how you can upgrade the easy way, visit us at Holley.com.